Welcome to This Week in Williamsburg. I'm your host, Rebecca Suerdieck, curator of archivewilliamsburg.org. Now journey back in time with me. This week in 1895, Toano is recognized as one of the best places to live in Old Virginia. Its growth was credited to the arrival of the railroad. In 1895, Toano supported 5 stores and a barrel factory, which was one of the largest employers in the county. This week in 1902, Mr. St. John captured a massive swarm of bees that settled behind his blacksmith shop in Ewell. When asked where the bees came from, he said, "I have no idea." Join me next time for another edition of This Week in Williamsburg, brought to you by archivewilliamsburg.org and the Williamsburg Old Time Radio Hour, your source for hometown history, online, on stage, and on the air. I'm Rebecca Suerdieck.